What do you think about the future of artificial intelligence?
AI will revolutionize industries and everyday life.
How is Microsoft leveraging AI to shape the future?
We're integrating AI across all our products.
What emerging trends in technology are most exciting to you?
Quantum computing and 5G are game changers.
How is Google approaching quantum computing research?
Google is leading with groundbreaking research and development.
What impact do you think 5G will have globally?
5G will enhance connectivity and enable new innovations.
How is Microsoft preparing for the widespread use of 5G?
We're developing 5G solutions for better global communication.
Which emerging technology do you believe will dominate next decade?
AI, quantum computing, and biotechnology will lead.
How does Google prioritize these emerging technologies?
Google invests heavily in AI and quantum computing.
How do you stay updated on technological advancements?
I follow industry news and attend conferences.
What advice would you give to tech enthusiasts about the future?
Stay curious and keep learning constantly.
How would you describe the work culture at Microsoft?
Collaborative, innovative, and employee-focused.
What are the main similarities in work culture at Google and Microsoft?
Both prioritize innovation and employee well-being.
How does Google foster innovation among its employees?
Through creative freedom and supportive environments.
What is Microsoft's approach to work-life balance?
Flexible hours and remote work options.
How does Google support work-life balance for its employees?
Offering various wellness programs and flexible schedules.
What team dynamics have you experienced at Microsoft?
Highly collaborative and cross-functional teamwork.
How does Google encourage team collaboration and communication?
Open office spaces and regular team meetings.
What unique employee benefits does Microsoft provide?
Comprehensive healthcare and generous parental leave.
What unique perks does Google offer its employees?
Free meals and on-site fitness centers.
How do these benefits impact your job satisfaction?
They significantly enhance my work experience.
How important is diversity and inclusion in the tech industry?
It's crucial for innovation and creativity.
What initiatives does Microsoft have for diversity and inclusion?
Diversity programs and inclusive hiring practices.
How does Google promote an inclusive workplace environment?
Through diversity training and supportive policies.
What challenges do tech companies face regarding diversity?
Ensuring representation and combating unconscious bias.
How does Microsoft address these diversity challenges?
By fostering an inclusive culture and diverse leadership.
What progress has Google made in diversity initiatives?
Significant improvements in hiring and retention.
How do diverse teams benefit tech companies?
They bring varied perspectives and innovative solutions.
What personal experiences have you had with diversity in tech?
Working with diverse teams has been enriching.
How can tech companies further improve diversity efforts?
By implementing more inclusive policies and practices.
Why is it important to continue pushing for diversity?
It ensures equal opportunities and drives innovation.
How has working at Microsoft influenced your career growth?
It's provided endless learning and development opportunities.
What strategies do you use for professional development at Google?
I take courses and seek mentorship regularly.
How important is continuous learning in the tech industry?
It's essential to stay competitive and relevant.
What resources does Microsoft provide for career advancement?
Online courses, mentorship, and professional training.
How does Google support employees' career growth?
Through training programs and leadership opportunities.
What role does mentorship play in your career development?
It provides guidance and valuable insights.
How do you set and achieve your career goals?
I set clear objectives and track progress.
What advice would you give to someone starting in tech?
Stay curious, network, and seek continuous improvement.
How do you balance personal development with job responsibilities?
Prioritize time management and focus on goals.
What skills have you gained from working at Google?
Enhanced problem solving and technical expertise.
How can technology address social issues effectively?
By providing innovative solutions and widespread accessibility.
What social impact projects is Microsoft involved in?
AI for Good and digital inclusion initiatives.
How does Google contribute to community well-being?
Through various social impact and sustainability projects.
What role does AI play in tech for social good?
AI helps solve global challenges effectively.
How can tech companies ensure their projects benefit society?
By focusing on ethical and sustainable practices.
What are some examples of tech positively impacting communities?
Health tech innovations and educational programs.
How do you see the future of tech for social good?
Increasingly integrated into everyday solutions.
What personal projects have you worked on for social good?
Developing apps for community support and education.
How can individuals contribute to tech for social good?
By volunteering skills and participating in initiatives.
Why is it important for tech to focus on social impact?
It ensures technology benefits everyone, not just a few.
How does Microsoft address ethical considerations in technology?
By prioritizing privacy and responsible AI use.
What ethical challenges does Google face with technological advancements?
Balancing innovation with user privacy and data security.
How do you approach ethical dilemmas in your work?
By adhering to company policies and ethical guidelines.
What role does data security play in tech ethics?
It's crucial for maintaining user trust and safety.
How does Microsoft ensure responsible AI development?
Through rigorous testing and ethical frameworks.
What steps does Google take to protect user privacy?
Implementing strong data protection measures.
How do tech companies balance innovation with ethical considerations?
By integrating ethics into the development process.
What are the risks of neglecting ethical considerations in tech?
Loss of trust and potential legal consequences.
How can tech professionals stay informed about ethical issues?
Through continuous education and industry updates.
Why is it important to prioritize ethics in technology?
It ensures technology serves humanity responsibly.
How has remote work impacted productivity at Microsoft?
It's increased flexibility but requires discipline.
What are the challenges of remote work at Google?
Maintaining collaboration and team cohesion.
How does Microsoft support remote work for employees?
Providing necessary tools and flexible policies.
What future do you see for remote work in tech?
A hybrid model combining remote and in-office work.
How has remote work influenced team collaboration at Microsoft?
Virtual meetings and collaboration tools have been essential.
What remote work policies does Google have in place?
Flexible hours and remote-friendly tools.
How do you stay productive while working remotely?
By setting a structured routine and clear goals.
What are the benefits of remote work for tech employees?
Better work-life balance and reduced commute stress.
How do you handle communication challenges in remote work?
Using effective collaboration and communication tools.
What advice would you give for successful remote work?
Stay organized and maintain regular communication.
How is AI transforming industries today?
By automating tasks and enhancing decision-making.
What AI projects are you working on at Microsoft?
Developing AI solutions for various industries.
How does Google use AI to improve user experiences?
Through personalized recommendations and smart assistants.
What challenges do you face with AI development?
Ensuring accuracy and ethical use.
How do you see AI evolving in the next decade?
Becoming more integrated into daily life.
What role does AI play in your current projects?
It's central to innovation and efficiency.
How do you ensure responsible AI development at Microsoft?
By following ethical guidelines and best practices.
What impact does AI have on data privacy?
It raises concerns about data security and usage.
How can AI be used to solve global challenges?
By providing scalable and efficient solutions.
Why is it important to advance AI responsibly?
To avoid misuse and ensure ethical outcomes.
This has been a great conversation. Any final thoughts?
It's been insightful discussing these topics.
Absolutely. Thanks for sharing your experiences, Henry.
Thank you, Ariana. It was a pleasure.
Bye. See you again.
Bye, take care.